Today we're going to teach you about a plant called turmeric.
It's one of my favorite. I use it on almost all of my dishes.
And we're going to talk all about how it grows. We're going to show you how it's harvested. We're going to talk about the uses, and we're even going to give you a little recipe at the end. So its Latin name is Cucurma longa, and it's an herbaceous, rhizome-forming tropical plant that easily grows in USDA zones 8 and warmer outside freely. Or you can grow it in a greenhouse or in a pot if you grow farther up north. It's a very versatile, easy to grow plant, and it's native to South Asia.
In Hindi, it's called haldi, and it is the golden spice in India. Its medicinal properties ranges from anti-inflammatory, and then it's antiviral, antifungal. There's a lot of good properties to it, and you always take it along with black pepper.
You know your turmeric's ready to harvest when it's begun to yellow its leaves. So that means today's the big day. We're gonna dig our rhizomes and see what we got. It's like digging for treasure.
So the antioxidant present in turmeric is curcumin. That has all the medicinal properties in it. You can even get tablets of curcumin itself, but the best way is to naturally get it through turmeric. It's the most commonly used spice, so we use it in curries. You fry eggs, you sprinkle the top on it. You can have it with smoothies. It's a really versatile spice. You can use it in almost anything and everything.
All right, we've got our bountiful harvest, and now we're gonna rinse this stuff off. Don't eat every last rhizome because this is your propagation tissue. Save these over the winter and you can replant them from the rhizomes in the spring. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson on growing, harvesting, and cooking with turmeric. Now, if you don't mind me, I'm going to enjoy my golden milk for the afternoon. Have a good day.